Did you know that you can mix different kinds of clays together? Today I'll show you how to make marbled clay, so get ready.
Form your clay into a block to get it started. For this video I'm using a porcelainous stoneware that has a little bit of grit to it for strength. I'm also using a terracotta clay which is smooth and stretchable. It doesn't matter what the clays are as long as they have the same firing temperature. Cut the clay using a wire tool or a string, doesn't matter. Uneven pieces will only make the marbling more interesting. As long as you have the same amount of pieces for each block, that's all that matters. Build a sandwich by alternating clays for each layer. There's a lot of ways you can do this. All that's important is that you kind of roll the clay on as you pat it down. That reduces the chance of air bubbles. Compress and form the clay into a block by dropping it on the table and rotating. With a quick preview here, you can see that we already have some minimal marbling happening, but we're going to push it a little farther. I cut all 4 sides off before moving on. So now we're going to throw out a slab to stretch and compress this clay. We drop it on an angle so it hits the table like doing the worm and stretches out. Every few throws you may have to reform it to keep it in check. Now we started with 16 layers. If we stack them, now we have 32. Repeat the same process of stretching and thinning out the slab. I cut it into thirds this time to get more layers. Check out that beautiful marbling. Stack each piece and form it into a block. As you can see, we already have some beautiful marbling on 4 sides, but the top and the bottom, there and there, are a little simple, so I have one more trick to show you. Along one of the marbled sides, cut through the clay diagonally with a wire tool. Like so, move one of the halves to butt the bottom and top together. This will give you quality marbling on all 6 sides. Take a wet sponge and a scoring tool or a fork and score both pieces before pressing them back together. Now this is 96 layers. Any more than that and the clays start to blend together. But feel free to experiment with however many layers you want.
There you have it, marble clay, part 1. Now you can use marble clay for pottery, for sculpture, for pretty much anything. Possibilities like the wheel aren't endless. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, hit the like or subscribe button for future videos. I'm Jim, and don't forget to make do learn whenever possible.